Well, this is about the worst it's going to get, I guess. I just missed the heaviest rain a couple of minutes ago. But Isaac's so far out in the Gulf now, it doesn't really affect us too much here in the Tampa Bay, St. Peter area. Matter of fact, it's already stopped raining. Lasted maybe all of 3 or 4 minutes. Let's check out front and see what it looks like out there. Just enough to wash your car, my sister's car, the street. Although the skies are looking pretty nasty, we'll probably get more rain later on. Off to the south it looks a little better there. That's due east right there. The clouds you can see doing their counterclockwise rotation. They're going from the south to the north. Alright, that's Hurricane Isaac in St. Petersburg area of Florida on today, Monday. I don't know, we'll recall right exactly what the date is, but there you go. If it gets bad later, I'll do another one.